Hey guys, I am on the road. Me and Daddy on the road in a front seat today. Yeah, get promotion with my gray hair. Them up front. So we dropped off camera girl at exam. Good while now, Dad went to do some business, and we stopped in a supermarket where camera girl always wants watch a taxi man and Terrence. He's gonna drive out in front of you. See me watching my reverse. Can you be what is wrong with them? I'm sorry, me tell you, say, I don't know. I don't even want to be in the front. I just feel uncomfortable in front. If you ever see what I'm doing a while ago. Anywho, so I got chill out now. So a peer apartment I build up around here, so fam. So yeah, so me and Dad go to Devon house a long time. We're gonna eat like ice cream. So maybe next one on see we. I never know so we there. Old Church Road. Take your time, master, cause them come out of them the little slip road, they like them mad. You understand? The time is very bleak to family. The sun is like in and out. So we been a come from some old place that go we go Graham Heights, Russell Heights, and them places that have customer in the family. Them kind of people that work for Russell Heights, Graham Heights, all of them kind of heights there. So we are currently at the stoplight now at Upper Waterloo Road. And all of them sitting there. Back in the days in Terrence, yeah, when work it a run. But they don't do nothing again, but we still give thanks. So right out here, so we're there now. Yup. So we're not far from Devon house now. We are past Mega Mart. The traffic not too bad right here, so now, but when we was coming this month it was really terrible. So we had to come in. Whoa. We had to come in early because we have come from far from we drop Corbin time that you can, you know, cool out and we did make a little one stop at DHL and all of them look something there. So we had to come early. I hear that, you know. Around the Annette Crescent, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. Mega Mart, Waterloo. And we are going to pass Cobb favorite place now. Fontana. Camera girl favorite place, fam. So if you don't get the question, what is camera girl's favorite place to shop in Jamaica? See, make sure you're not supposed to get that question there for the pot. Fontana. So family, we are at Devon house. We come up here about a few months ago, but before that, we are going to cross this, so. We are going to cross Devon house. We're going across there, go scream. Yeah.
Long scream.
Yeah, go cross Devon house, so scream. And people over there scream before we are ready. Which one is the 8 ounce? And that one is the 9 ounce. The other one, that one is the 16 ounce. Alright. A double cone and a waffle cone. Oh, some onions. For the waffle, what is this? Okay. Alright, let me have that and some, yeah, pistachio? Alright, let me have some cookie and cream. Yeah, and pistachio. What you want?
Same thing, everything.
And let me have the same thing for the regular.
That one is what?
Pistachio. Same thing for the other one. Right, put it back. So this is my waffle cone, pistachio, cookies and cream, double scoop, 1500 Jamaican. Tell me if you think it. And Dad I will have the same thing, but Dad can't eat the waffle cone. I'm dangerous. I'm gonna take regular. So guys, so Dad got the double scoop for 1400. So it was so enough that we had to buy a cup for $30 and put the other part in the so better buy double scoop 1400. I find it expensive more than our else. No, because this is a nice piece of cut of pork leg and it's properly cut for you. This is what is called a select cut of meat. This is just what seasonal roast. $3,260 and 40 cents plus tax. Make us make it expensive. Let me. Oh, this thing. They're nice. These are the clean and roast. Yes, these are what you call select meats. I don't see them expensive, but look at this. Look at this. Tied in tight to the string. And this is just fat. This is beef. This is 5,180. That is 5,004. So this is not bad. It's not good. You go like this, don't want that. And you must them clean it down here. First when you see them leave this part, you so slide out this. This I forget the meat, keep moisture in the meat. You see? And they cut them and them not all powder. So then keep them cool. Yeah man, pork chops. So if you want like 2 or 3 pounds of it. Look at this. So them tie this and everything. It's a go with 347 regular pak chai regular. Pak chai is well, you know, say nice.
Like this. What is?
Imported baby carrots. Got it. No man, the big food, then Joe told bad. Me not buy them every morning. Yeah, more. Peppers, jalapeno pepper. A few people want them on them.
A long time no see them easier.
Sugar snap.
I said here.
We have sugar snap and we have snow.
That's some beans.
This is sugar snap imported. See the sugar snap imported. See there is a $601. You see it? So you have sugar snap and you have snow, the snow peas. Oh, see the snow peas here, it's broader. They may not quite young. So these are pearl onions. And I know this is imported. What do we do with these? I guess you just throw them in something.
Okay.
I roast it. Hey, Cobb. At 12:30 already? Alright. Take your phone, so you alright? Okay, alright. Yeah, alright. All the best, Mama. You know, I'll look out kind of see leaks. This is leaks. Alright, all the best, all the best. Yeah, me think me have it right down. Yeah. Alright. This is nice so much, you know. The color them not bad, but them tough and old. Me know them is old and it's soft.
Here, no? Oh, so then stay, all of them are
All of them no color, destruction the plant.
and then make it water.
It's right. 3.15 per kilo. 1 kilo and 2 pounds. Somebody who got their grudge. Grudge.